Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Cold War on PS4. Start by updating the game and console, then set controller sensitivity, enable aim assist, and choose 60Hz display if available. Next, create a loadout focusing on a reliable primary, an ergonomic attachment setup, and a balanced perk selection to suit run-and-gun or defensive playstyles. Practice recoil control in multiplayer matches to improve consistency. Use a warm, conversational tone as I walk you through the mechanics that matter most on PS4. Focus on movement tech like sprint to slide, crouch canceling, and tactical repositioning to avoid predictable lines of fire. Rely on audio to track enemies, and practice burst firing to counter recoil patterns on assault rifles and SMGs. Tailor your attachments to reduce vertical recoil and aim down sights faster for clutch engagements. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to keep these guides coming. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and smart mapping so you can focus on aim instead of chores. It even navigates under couches where you hide while gaming, which is kind of perfect. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Explore the main modes with a friendly, guiding voice to help you gain map knowledge quickly. Start in objective playlists to learn choke points, spawns, and high traffic lanes that define mid-game fights. Customize loadouts per map, swapping optics and range attachments to dominate sightlines. Communicate or use pings to secure objectives, and rotate proactively to cut off flanks and protect your teammates during critical rounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.